Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Pinterest light up. So all you have to do, just go down, click here on your photo down here. So when you click on it here, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications here. So when you click here on notifications here, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click here on bypass notifications here. When you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. So then you come here to views and impressions here, just clicking this sign. Then like you see here, color it's gone. That's mean viewers and impressions notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.